In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate workflows in Asana using AI. We're going to walk through a simple but powerful way to let Asana do repetitive work for you, so you can focus on the important tasks instead of constantly updating projects by hand. Start by opening the Asana project where you want to add automation. Make sure you're in the main project view where you can see your list or board of tasks. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see an option called Customize. Go ahead and click on Customize. This is where Asana keeps all the extra settings for your project, including fields, forms, and the rules we're going to create. When the Customize panel opens on the right-hand side, look for the section labeled Rules. This is where all your project automations live. Click on Rules and then click the plus button that says Add. This tells Asana that you want to create a brand new rule for this project. Now you'll see a box that asks, "What would you like to automate?" This is where the AI comes in. Instead of manually picking triggers and actions, you can just describe what you want in plain language. For example, you might type something like, "Assign this task to the reviewer when it's moved to the review column." You can adjust the wording to match how your team works, but keep it clear and specific so the AI knows exactly what you're trying to do. Once you've typed your workflow goal into that box, press Enter on your keyboard. Asana's AI will read what you wrote and automatically build out the rule behind the scenes. It will choose a trigger, such as a task being moved to a certain section, and then set up actions, like assigning that task to a specific person or updating a field. Take a moment to look over what it generates and make sure it matches your intention. If something isn't quite right, you can tweak the details before finishing. When everything looks good, click on Publish Rule to activate it. From this point on, whenever the trigger conditions you defined are met, Asana will run that rule automatically. Your tasks will update themselves without you having to step in every time. That's all you need to start automating workflows in Asana using AI. With just a few minutes of setup, you can remove a lot of manual work and keep your projects running smoothly.